Hey guys, so I'm going to be doing all my fidgets, feet picks. Ha ha ha, yes. So we're going to start out with my favorite drawer, the Pop-It drawer. So I'm going to take them all out and then I'm going to show you. I'm not going to include where they're all from, mainly because I don't know where half of them are from. So yeah. Okay, so I have this T-Rex. I have this one that I refuse to get rid of, mainly because it's my first ever Pop-It. My friend Molly gave this to me. I haven't seen her since, but I have this turtle Pop-It. It's probably my least favorite Pop-It, mainly because I don't like the way it pops. Pineapple. I have like a ton of pineapples actually. Wait, let me find. Oh, here's another pineapple. Should be a third pineapple, and here's a third pineapple. Which one of the pineapples is your favorite? The yellow one, the pink one, or clear yellow one? I have a unicorn. I don't really like the unicorn one. I just have it. I have a popsicle. I have this. I think it's supposed to be a JoJo bow. I honestly don't know. I have a snowman. I have a snail. I have a owl. I actually found this on the floor at my school. So yeah. I have this yellow circle Pop-It. This rainbow circle Pop-It. I have this not really a rainbow Pop-It. I have this rainbow butterfly. I have this crab. That's easily my favorite animal Pop-It. I have my brother's football Pop-It. I have this t-shirt Pop-It. That's definitely my favorite mini Pop-It. I have this octagon. Yeah, it's an octagon. And it's rainbow. Pastel rainbow. I have this blue square Pop-It. I have this heart. I have this circle one. This is my favorite circle Pop-It. I have this yellow Pop-It. I have this one, which I don't know if you can see it, but it's like glittery. Oh wait, this one was glittery too. Yeah, that one was glittery. Anyway, this one, my brother broke this one, and I was so mad because it was my favorite Pop-It. And this was like a $15 Pop-It too. He still hasn't paid me back for it. I have this bee Pop-It. I have this, I think it's a sock or shoe. I honestly don't know if it's a sock or a shoe. I have this rainbow unicorn. I have this circle. And I have this last one is this little pink square. So, this is 1 out of 3 drawers, by the way. Then we got dimples. So let me get them out and I'll show you. So we got the random clips for the dimples in here too. We have this dimple spinner. We have this dimple spinner. I have this silicone dimple. This is from a fake Dimple Digits, and it like popped out. I have this fake Dimple Digits that my friend scammed me for. He also scammed me for this dimple and this simple dimple. So yeah, I have this paint palette dimple. I have these 2 triple dimples. I've never seen anybody have this Batman dimple, so if you do, let me know, because I've never seen anybody with it. You have to prove you have it. Like, post a video with you using it or something. So I have this cupcake dimple. And then I have these simple dimples. These 2 are real. This one's not, but I have a single dimple. I don't know what you'd call this. Next drawer. Stress balls. So I don't feel like taking all these out, mainly because I don't want to get them sticky, so we're just going to do an overview. We have macaroon. I don't even know what these are called. tire, carrot. We got mochis in here too. One time, my friend, like at the beginning of the school year, she threw a green mochi like this and a pink one on the ceiling of the science room, and they didn't come down for a couple days. Especially get in trouble. So there's a white one of these somewhere. The yellow one popped, but there's a white one somewhere in my room. It's like a glitter ball. That squeaks. The eyes pop out of it. Panda bun. And then there's some stress balls on the ceiling. And there's more of those around the room too. So then on the top drawer we have like random stuff. So we actually have 3 fidget cubes in here. We have 2 infinity cubes, but I like the black one more because it's like weighted. Let me count how many marble meshes I have. I have 7 marble meshes, 1 pop tube, 2 tangles. It broke. I don't know where the other half of it went. It's in here somewhere. It's just magnets. These magnets, bike chain, I don't know how many fidget spinners. Snake tangle, wacky track. This was in a Kinder Egg. Monkey noodles. Here's the other half of the tangle. Oh, specs. Yeah. So yeah, that's all of my fidgets. I'm gonna do the favorite thing out of every drawer. So my favorite Pop-It, let me pause you while I find, is easily this one, even though it has 1 hole. It just makes the best pops in my opinion. I'm also gonna tell you where my favorite ones are from. This one is from Target. Now out of my dimples, my favorite dimple is probably this one. It's Top Trends. So yeah. My favorite stress ball is this carrot. I don't know where it's from, but I'm pretty sure I've seen them at Five Below. And out of here, my favorite fidget is either my gold tangle, the black infinity cube, which is from Amazon. Tangle, you can just buy them off the Tangle website, or these specs, which I don't know where you can find specs. So yeah, that's it for today's video. Bye guys. Please subscribe and comment on any of my videos. I love it when you guys comment. Anyway, bye guys.